What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Discord server. But first, my friend Sultan will show you about what is a Discord. Okay Sultan, show them.
Okay, we are going to know about Discord. Discord is an application that functions to strengthen friendship online, and this application supports chatting, watching movies together, playing games together, or maybe video calls like WhatsApp with personal data security features. So in this day, we are gonna show you how to create a Discord server for free, and you can use to make a group friendship.
First, hit the plus button. Secondly, press this one, create my own server. But there is 6 different templates. This one will allow you to make a great starter server, but I will recommend it you for create my own server. And then press the for me and my friend server. So this one will allow you to make a server Discord just for you and your friend. But if you really want to make your server Discord public, just press this one for a club or community. But I would not recommend you to press this one, since it's for random people. There is a chance your server could be attacked by someone by stealing your data or something. So maybe this one is recommended for you. At this point, you can customize your server, like rename it your server, or maybe you could upload your photo for the server Discord profile, yeah, something like that. So I will try this one and make your server like riding community, or drive community, drive friendship or something. Then hit the create button, and that's it. You already have a Discord server. For the next step, you can invite your friend to your Discord server, but I'm not showing you how. That's my friend job. Sultan, show them how to add a Discord server.
Okay, and now I will show you how to invite your friend to your server. But you need to have a friend list first. Press the friend button here, and click the add friend button, and then you can insert the nickname of your the Discord nickname of your friend. For example, my friend is Ferdinand Hans. You can send friend request here. You can press this button, and it will send to your friend. That's easy. Like this is my server. You can click this button, invite your friend, and then you can click invite this. Click invite, and voila, the invite message already sent. Or you can copy this link below and go to your friend a message, and then you can paste this. That's easy.
So guys, that's how to make a Discord server. Create Discord account, invite your friend, and add your friendship to your Discord server. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.